never lose interest in your background, from where your family came, what their culture is. I don't know how to explain it. It enriches your life. Like some people I have heard in the past who say, oh, they don't celebrate Thanksgiving. I said, what do you mean you don't? Oh, no, what do you have to have it for? I said, whatever you celebrate, anything enriches your life. This is what gives you your whole being. And you have to partake and participate. And if you don't, what have you got? No matter who you are.
So you would say that both to
Anybody.
To anyone.
Whatever culture you
Right.
come from, whatever background you have,